Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to log out from your ChatGPT account. So if you don't know how to log out from your ChatGPT account, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data. So if your device is not connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data, then make sure that your device is connected to it by scrolling from the very top right hand side. And after that, you may also make sure to download the ChatGPT app. So if you have not downloaded it, you just need to download it from App Store or Play Store. And after that, you just need to open ChatGPT app. So this is the homepage of ChatGPT or the page where you will land on ChatGPT. So from here, click on the two straight lines at the very top left, and here you'll see the various option of chat which you have done in ChatGPT. And at the very bottom, you will see your profile name. So click on it and scroll down till you see the option of logout, which is highlighted on red. So click on the option of logout, and it says you'll need to sign back in to keep using the ChatGPT. So click on the option of logout like this, and by signing out or clicking on the option of logout, you'll be able to log out from ChatGPT. So that's it. That's how you can log out from ChatGPT. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.